A capacitor is charged to store energy U. The charging battery disconnected. An identical capacitor now connected to the first capacitor in parallel. The energy in each of the capacitor. So there is a capacitor which is charged such that it is having energy U. So U is the energy available in the capacitor. And we know U is the energy because some charges available, let the charges are Q, let the capacity is C. Now therefore energy can be written as it is a half into CV square, or half into C can be written in terms of charge, or V can be written in terms of charge. We'll write a V because C is the capacitance already we know. So therefore V is equal to Q by C. Therefore it's a Q square by C. Charge on the capacitor is Q. Therefore energy we wrote is a Q square by C. The second part is given. It is disconnected. It is having some charges. It's the first capacitor having some charges connected to one more capacitor identical which is uncharged and is connected in parallel. Now moment to connect one more capacitor in parallel to this, charges will flow so that it will have a common potential. So common potential is given by V common, that is equivalent to total charge Q divided by effective capacitance. It is they are in parallel, it's a 2C. Now Q is a total charge in the first capacitor which can be written as C into V divided by it is a 2C. Therefore common potential is given by total charge in the capacitor divided by the effective capacitance. Therefore C cancels, it becomes V by 2. That means earlier we had a potential V, now the potential becomes V by 2. Now what is the charge on each? Therefore if I want to find a charge now in the capacitor, let it be Q1 and or maybe Q2. So Q1, if I write Q1, potential is V by 2, capacitance is C. It is a CV divided by 2, but CV is equal to Q, implies is a Q by 2. That means once you connect one more capacitor in parallel with the charged capacitor, charge on the capacitor reduces to half because second one is uncharged. Now each capacitor will have a charge Q by 2. So here we have a Q by 2, here you have a Q by 2. So both are equal. Now the energy find out for the charge Q by 2. We know the equation for energy. I'll write U dash is equal to half into it's a Q by 2 square divided by C. That is half into it is a Q square divided by 4 into C. That is Q square divided by A times C. Now half Q square by C is nothing but U. Can be written as it is a U divided by 4. U divided by 4 because Q square by 2C is equal to U by 4. It's a new energy available in each capacitor, and that is given as option C.